I believe giving back to your community is like one of the biggest things that you can do as a doctor. Recognizing that the impact that representation has on, just people in general. Again, being a Black medical student, I didn't really get the opportunity to see a lot of, Black doctors growing up, and again, allowing these kids to have that experience is just really, really beneficial for me and my growth and what I plan to do as a doctor.
I think it's really important to support the journeys of any kiddo who's interested in medicine, but most especially underrepresented kiddos. Growing up, did not see a lot of women in STEM, and so that kind of is what continues to inspire me to want to volunteer to make sure that people know that they can do anything.
Today we did a mock scrub-in for the surgical OR, and I think I was really happy to see the smiles on everyone's face when they're being scrubbed in for the first time, and you're telling them it's a sterile environment. You're telling them not to touch anything. Don't worry, I'm your scrub tech. Spin around, I'm gonna tie you up. I think that was very nice.
Just being here, seeing, the excitement on their faces and showing them that, someone that looks like them has, is on their way to become a doctor, and therefore that, gives them that same drive that they can do the same thing too.
I hope that the folks that were here are ready for the path and ready to see how wonderful it can be.
I hope they're inspired to be doctors. I hope they get the advice and the motivation to continue on the path, because it is a very hard path.
Again, being able to give back to my community and potentially inspire the next generation of doctors is something that I look forward to doing, and that's, going to always drive me to come to events like this.